Hello everyone, back again. Brian, retired and living in the happiest country in the world. And at the moment, I'm a happy baker. Baking dark chocolate chip and raisin cookies is what we do in retirement on days when it's kind of cold outside. And it is cold here today, minus 24 on the Celsius scale. Not sure what that is on the Fahrenheit, but I'll find out for you. Yeah, winter, that's a big deal here in Finland. At least it's a big long season. It's not such a big deal in getting along with the season. It's not that difficult, and it's not that terrible in terms of, oh, the cold and the snow. We really don't get that much snow here, not compared to what I grew up with in Michigan and later years in northern Michigan, where I was a newspaper publisher, where we had lots of snow and lots of cold. Here we just have lots of cold for the winter months. So I wanted to talk a bit about that today and try to keep things into this 5-minute mark while I finish up my baking. Snow and cold in winters. That's just a fact of life in this part of the world. A little bit more about that in this little video. One of the many nice things about living in the happiest place in the world is winter. Yes, winter. And today is a cold one, about minus 21, minus 22, 24 Celsius. I'll let you know what that is Fahrenheit in a minute. But anyway, this is me outside our home, and I'm about to take a walk. I'll take about maybe 6 kilometer walk, 7 kilometer walk, something like that. Get in about 11,000 steps today. But it is wonderfully brisk. Yes, happiest country in the world. One of the coldest too. Okay, so there you see a bit what it's like outside. Chocolate on the fingers. Excuse me for doing that. So again, retired in the happiest, supposedly the happiest country in the world, Finland, the land of Finns. Been here 23 years, as you know. So what do you do during the winter? A lot of exercise. What kind of exercise? Yesterday, my wife and I took a 9-kilometer walk. Again, not sure what that is in miles anymore. I've kind of lost my measurements from growing up in the United States in feet and miles and inches and all that stuff. But anyway, 9 kilometers yesterday. On the way back, let's say the halfway point of our walk, which was, let's say, about 2 hours of walking at minus 21 Celsius yesterday. We stopped by the Hyvinkää, that's the city that we're in, Hyvinkää, ice hall, the ice rink, the indoor one, and just happened to walk into a junior hockey league game, and it was really nice. No charge, number one. Number two, get warm. Number three, there's toilets there. So it was a nice stop on our way home and our walk. There's always entertainment in the winter. In that area of our city, there's cross-country skiing. We have an indoor swimming pool, huge one, huge. I'll show you some pictures of it. As you can see, very beautiful and very clean and very warm in the winter time. And there's biking in the winter. The bike paths are separate from the car paths, and they're all lighted and they're all cleared of snow. And so riding a bike is possible in the winter if you bundle up well enough. And of course, getting out there and moving the snow around, doing snow scooping, snow shoveling, getting out there. So it's not a question of can you do exercise or will you do exercise is really the question. And I do a lot. I go swimming a few times a week at the swimming hall. There is these beautiful indoor pools of all different types. There's aqua aerobics I take part in. It's not a class, it's just something you participate in the warm water pool. And then there is also fitness centers all over the city, and there at the swimming hall as well too, which is included in my annual membership. And I have a pensioner's annual membership. Costs about $70 for a year. It's really low cost. Then there's the forest. The forest is everywhere, and the walkways in the forest are beautiful, wide, lighted as well, and well cared for, and just beautiful to be in the forest in the winter time. I mentioned skiing. That's a big deal too. So when and if you get tired of those kinds of things while you're here during the winter, should you choose to spend your winter here, you just head over to the airport, Helsinki International Airport. You get on a flight and go wherever you want to go, whether it's in North Africa, which is close by. It's only a few hours flight away. Or if you're like my wife and I, we head to Thailand, where we have family home there, and lots of family and friends. So we spend a month and sometimes two out of the winter in that part of the world before coming back here to Finland for our lovely summers. So wintertime, lots to do. You can find out all you need to know and want to know about wintertime in Finland and what to do and what you can do online. You'll find all kinds of things. Just Google Finland and it'll come up. So anyway, retired and the happiest country of the world, the land of Finns. It's Brian. I'll see you again next time, and we'll talk more about what it's like to be living here. Didn't want to go too quickly without showing you the fruits of my labors. There's those cookies. Can't wait to taste them.